Sai Ram. In today's video, I will share two more Leelas of Baba taken from the book Ambrosia in Shirdi, Part 1, Baba's Leela before his Mahasamadhi. Leela number 1. At every opportunity, Chidambaram R.K. Gadgil visited Shirdi for Baba's darshan. This was easy at first, as he was personal assistant to the collector of Ahmednagar district. Then he worked as a Mamlatdar in Sinnar. Time and again he came to Shirdi and took Baba's darshan. Then he got transferred to a distant place with the order to join immediately. He followed the orders but with a heavy heart. The journey he took was via Kapargaon, yet he could not break his journey and go to Shirdi. At Kopargaon he was thinking how futile it was, as he could not have Baba's darshan being so close to Shirdi. Just as he thought this, a packet containing Udi was thrown in his lap. He looked out of the window to see who had done this, but couldn't find anybody. He picked up the packet and kept it safely. Some time later, he got a chance to visit Shirdi when Baba said, "Even though you could not visit Shirdi, did I not give you my Udi at Kopargaon?" Gadgil was filled with joy at Baba's love and concern, so he put the Udi in a talisman and wore it constantly. I am absolutely in the power of my devotees and stand by their side. Forever I am hungering after their love and readily answer their call in distress, said Baba to Dada Bhatt. When Dr. Pandit applies sandal paste to Baba's forehead with love. Leela number 2. A cashier of a well-known firm at Bombay had embezzled a large sum of money. He had a master plan, and that was to go Shirdi and seek refuge there. So he did exactly that. A warrant for his arrest was put out. The manager of the firm was asked to execute the warrant and bring the culprit for prosecution. The manager was a Baba devotee and diligently searched all the places far and near but couldn't trace the culprit. Out of desperation, he thought he would go to Shirdi and place the matter before Baba before giving up the search. So he went to Shirdi and to the Dwarika Mai for darshan. When to his utter amazement, he saw the cashier shampooing Baba's feet. On seeing the manager, the cashier was at his wits' end. He prostrated before Baba and begged him to save him. Baba advised him to go with the manager to Bombay and confess the whole matter and request to be pardoned. The cashier carried out Baba's word to the letter. Thus the cashier was saved from criminal prosecution. The firm thanked the manager for dexterously handling the affair. शरण माझा आला आणि वाया गेला दाखवा दाखवा ऐसा कोणी. Show me, do show me anyone who has sought shelter and refuge in me and was cast by the side or abandoned. One of the promise of Baba. Here it brings us to the end of today's video. May Sai bless all of us. Om Sai Ram.